Hey everybody, good Monday morning. This is First Warn Storm Team Chief Meteorologist Brad Panovich. Quick update on the weather, especially the flooding situation going on in a very small area of Gaston and Mecklenburg County. We've had this stalled backdoor front, which came in last night, and it's kind of parked right over the Charlotte area. Now, not everybody's seen rain, but if you're underneath this rain, it is no joke. This has been a really heavy rain event, especially in eastern Mecklenburg or western Mecklenburg and eastern Gaston County. You can see the stalled front right there. And what's going on is we've got a low-level flow coming in from the northeast on this side of the front, and then at the south we've got southwest and even a southerly component. So where there isn't a lot of lift anywhere along this stalled front, we're going to see very slow-moving showers and thunder showers that are going to drop a tremendous amount of rain. In fact, this is the only rain in the area right now. This is our first warn Doppler radar, and I'll loop this, and you can see these things aren't really fast-moving, but what you notice is these little showers popping up in Gaston, York, Union, the Panhandle, Lancaster County, and Mecklenburg County. These things aren't in a big hurry to move, so additional flooding could be likely this morning. Here's the rainfall estimates. This is literally the only places it's rained this morning, so a lot of folks joked like, oh, chance of rain should be 100%. Remember, we forecast for 22 counties, so while it's pouring in one location, some locations today have seen zero rain. So the chance of rain is the coverage times the confidence that we are going to see rain. So we're pretty confident we're going to see rain, but it's only in a small area. So if you're 100% chance, or sure at least, that there's only 20% of the area is going to see rain, that's a 20% chance of rain. That's the kind of the way the percentages work. So that 100% chance of rain that people think is really over Mecklenburg County, but that only makes up about 20 to 30% of our entire viewing area. It just happens to be where a lot of people live. Here's where that heavy rain is right now. You see from Mount Holly to Belmont to Charlotte, this area right in here, this kind of yellow area is 3 inches plus. You get into the red, you're talking about 5 inches, and then you see this little area of white near Paul Creek. That's about 6 inches of rain. So really heavy rain in a very small area. What I would expect to happen this morning and through the morning is we're going to see some more of these showers develop along the stalled front. Remember, the front is right there in this area, so don't be surprised if we start to see rain develop back here towards Hickory or even down to the south. But anywhere along this frontal boundary, we're going to see the chance for some heavy downpours. And because there's thick cloud cover and showers around, temperatures are not going to move much this afternoon. I actually think temperatures will be stuck generally in the upper 70s around and north of the front, but down here where the sun comes out, we could see some temperatures get up into the low 80s. Now, this isn't even the best cold front that's heading our way. It's bringing us some much needed rain. This is the front back to the northwest, and I'm going to turn off the satellite and radar for a second and just show you the temperatures, because you can see the cool air lurking back here in the plains in the Midwest. That's the cooler air that's heading our way for Wednesday, Thursday, into Friday. So this first front, while it's technically cooling us down, it's doing so because of clouds and showers, not because of really that much cooler air, though there is a nice northeast breeze, and you can see the 60s up towards Raleigh and parts of Greensboro. The really cold air is coming in later this week. So aerial flood advisory remains in effect for Mecklenburg County till 11 o'clock. Don't be surprised if we see additional flood advisories or warnings throughout the afternoon.